Allow them to show themselves.
This way, this way, this way, this way, this way.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
You have finally gotten a new judge to handle your case. How do you feel about that?
Great, I suppose. Yes.
So what are your expectations from today's proceedings?
Is that justice will be done, of course, in accordance with the rule of law. That's what I'm expecting. Thank you very much.
That's my daughter. Take advantage of my daughter.
How far? Let's see if I want to come my brain this morning. You expected me. Everybody's
What is this?
Hello, can you hear me?
We can hear you. Go ahead. Go
Okay,
ahead.
okay. Okay. Okay, we are live at Federal High Court, Abuja. As you can see, this is one of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu legal barrister Nemeko Jiofo. So he will speak to us concerning what transpired today in court. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, sir. Sir, please can you tell us what transpired today in court?
Thank you very much. Well, today we have a new team of lawyers representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We have an addition, and they are in the presence of Chief Kanu Adabi, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, and Mr. Uchenna Njok of Nigeria. Both of them, us, the members of the team, to form a formidable legal team for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What transpired today is the reading of the charge to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, it is now called an amended 7-count charge to Nnamdi Kanu. Maybe great. Be on behalf of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Nigerian judiciary, to Chief Awomolo SAN, and to we, the defense lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, for the way he spoke the last time he was in court. And Chief Kanu Adabi, after addressing the court, handed over to Chief Awomolo SAN, who removed everything that happened from his mind and that he understands and feels for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, knowing that he has spent quite a number of years in detention. The judge also spoke, on towing the same line to have a cordial working relationship, a cordial atmosphere for the trial. And part of what the judge said is that he is concerned and being a judge of the Federal High Court, he swore an oath and he also Christian. He upholds the tenets of justice, the tenets of faith, and the tenet of mercy. Those are the three cardinal principles upon which he operates. And he was quite, friendly. Offered Nnamdi Kanu a seat to sit before the reading of the charge. And then after that, he went on to amend the charges. Before it was charge number one, two, three, 4, 5. Then you now have 8 and 15. But now he has amended them. The 8 is now charge number 6. And then the number 15 count charge is charge number 7 now. So we now have it in serial. After the charges were read, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pleaded not guilty to each and every one of those charges. So the atmosphere in the court was, less tense than it used to be. It was very cordial, and we believe that it's a new dawn, and we believe that justice will be done, at least from what transpired today in court. So the matter was adjourned after reading of the charge to the 29th of April, the 2nd and of May. If on that day the prosecutor, if they're able to bring their witness, well, we'll listen to them. And then if we also have applications to make, which I'm sure we have, we'll also bring in those applications. So as it is today, atmosphere, environment is calm, everybody is okay. The prosecution, they are okay. We, the defense team, we are very okay with what transpired in court today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Barrister.
All right.
So
Okay, we just heard from Barrister Nnamdi Kanu. We are heading to the Federal High Court now to see if we can interview some of our people that came to court. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
It's all right. Thank you. We are still with you. Do not go away. Just go there with your camera. Go, continue to go as we are getting what we need. The case is being adjourned to 28 or 29. 29th?
Okay, just
Yes.
it's May 29,
Okay.
6th, and 2 of May.
Okay.
Can you
29th.
hear me?
No, 29 May or 29 April.
Yes.
April
The
29
case
and 2nd May and the 6th June. 6th May.
actually
The main date is
6th.
29th April. Then 2nd May.
Yes, 2nd and 6th. Yeah.
Okay, 2nd and 6th May. Okay, thank you.
I will come back. I will come back. Just give me.
Okay, okay. All right. We have seen it, the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as we heard from lawyer Barrister Nnamdi Kanu, that the case has been adjourned, that a new court, a new judge have taken over the case. Right? That is it. Justice James. So you can see it. That is the same thing we are saying. Nigeria is full of injustices. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have taken plea and he pleaded not guilty. None of the charges, they say today it is now 7 amended count charges. They keep amending, but when you go, don't be surprised. If you go to the amendment charge, you will see the period of years and you will see that it is baseless based on where Nnamdi Kanu operates from through Radio Biafra in London. Any charge against Nnamdi Kanu that is not connected to Radio Biafra London with address of where he committed offense and the date, which is and the location. It is always in every charge: location, date, and time. Now, Nigeria saw that Nnamdi Kanu have nothing to hold him with. They kidnapped him from Kenya, brought him back to Nigeria, then recruited criminals to destroy things so that they will tag the crimes of these criminals on Nnamdi Kanu. They tried their best, but IPOB cut it off. Today, we don't expect Nigeria to bring activities of criminal and charge Nnamdi Kanu with it, because IPOB several occasions have distanced itself from criminal activities. You can only do so if IPOB do not take their stand. Now, going back to Nnamdi Kanu's activities, you have nothing to hold him down with. And the question now is, what are the charges you amended? Is it treason or terrorism? You keep amending, and we keep pushing, because you will amend until you put yourself in the mess greater than you are today. This is Biafra Television Europe, and we are coming to you live with updates from Abuja as the case of Nnamdi Kanu seated today in the court of Honorable Justice James, a Yoruba man. We will continue to push. We are relentless, and we can never get tired. We are waiting for him to see if there are another update. But don't forget that the date of court is 29th April, 2nd May, and 6th May. But you know, something may transpire on 29th. It cancels further date of court. As always, we used to see. Some of these upfront dates they used to add is okay, is to give you fake hope. Let's see. Do you understand? Some of these dates they used to add is to see, to cool you down, to bring your mindset down. That is the reason why they do those things. When I had them busy now, I went chance. Do you understand? To give you more hope. Because you will say, after 29, you go to court second, next one 6, that something will happen. So, but the basis, the main date as case of Nnamdi Kanu is the main date of his case is always that first date. We have seen it severally, but we hope it may change in this very court. Let's see if it may change. But as they used to give us 3 days, 2 days at once, it doesn't work. It is only the first one. Okay. Okay. Mazi, we are hearing you. Go ahead.
Okay. Good
Our
morning.
correspondent,
Good
go
afternoon.
ahead. Go ahead, yes.
Okay, you can hear me, right?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Okay. Uh, the case, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case have just ended. We just finished interviewing Barrister Nnemeka for one of the legal team of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So the update is, as you can see, I'm live at Federal High Court Abuja. This is inside the premises. Okay. The case was
Yes.
adjourned, according to our Barrister Nnemeka. The case was adjourned to April 2nd April, and also 6th April and 29th of April. So that's the time, the date the case was adjourned.
Okay, okay,
So
okay, Mazi.
that's
It
the
has
update.
nothing to do with me. Please. It has
So
nothing to do with
is
me.
there
Is
any
that
question?
what you mean? We want to be sure.
No, no, not May, not May. It's April.
You only mention April.
Hello, Mazi, can you hear me?
I can hear you, please. I hope the date of court did not enter it because I had 29th April.
Okay, this is what will happen. Let me recontact my barrister, if I barrister Nnemeka, okay, to confirm the actual date so that we
Yes,
will not be we will not
yes.
make yes. Let me contact. I will be back. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. We don't want to make a mistake because I had barrister. As you are still talking. Okay. Okay. So I had Barrister Nemeke for mention 29 April. We have second because he cannot mention 29 April and start mentioning 2nd April and June 6th April. For mention 29 April first, which means the second is June and May 2nd and May 6th. So let us hear from him anyway. But the date will also appear on media, but we want to give our accurate one. That is what makes somebody to know that he was live or that he witnessed the update live. Okay. Let me see if I can send this update to our technical engineer. Let us see if we can play it here, please. This is very important. The work is much, not easy here, beg. But let me see. Not this one. Okay, should be this one. Okay. Mas, let me send this one first. We are very, very in case you are with us, this is Biafra Television Europe coming to you live by me, Fearless IPOB Evangelist. Today, the court update, the case update of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court case. Our engineer, we have sent you a video you are to. We want to see this update on the screen, please. Sent, okay. So that is it. You can see IPOB is doing the needful. IPOB is doing their right thing, maintaining self-determination, which Nigeria never expected. They wanted to provoke us earlier to
Allow them
go
to show
away from
themselves.
self-determination. And that is where they will get it. Okay. Okay. The full update have come.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
You have finally gotten a new judge to handle your case. How do you feel about that?
Great, I suppose. Yes.
So what are your expectations from today's proceedings?
Is that justice will be done, of course, in accordance with the rule of law. That's what I'm expecting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
That's my daughter. Take advantage of my daughter.
Okay. Okay, we have come to our brother. Engineer.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Yes, okay. I have reconfirmed from our barrister. So the actual date is April 29th, May 2nd, and May 6th. That's the day they postponed the case to. Thank you.
Thank- That's it. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you very, very much.
All
You
right.
have tried today. You have done well.
Okay.
Thank you very, very much. So, as we are rounding up, please make sure you are safe, right? It's okay. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
All right. All right. Definitely.
Thank you.
All right.
Make sure you are safe. All
Okay.
right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. So we are saying bye to our brother. Um, we have done well today. Engineer, we are done. Okay. Yes, you have had it. The date, the court have been the case have been adjourned to 29th April, 2nd and the 6th May 2025. And I think we will be bringing this very presentation of this very morning about the case of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to an end. And we thank you all for being with us. We also ask you to remain resolute. We have crossed bridges and we are in another stage. As we move on, the enemies are shaking. They knew that you don't get tired. They knew that Nigerians can get tired, but we don't get tired. So we will continue to push. We will continue to maintain our lane. We will continue to be under control because Nigeria can never win this case. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, lovers of freedom. Thank you, IPOB members. Thank you, good people all over the world. From me, fearless IPOB evangelist Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.